Artificial intelligence has transitioned from a futuristic concept into a practical tool that is currently generating significant revenue stream opportunities for early adopters right now. Welcome to Basic Finance, where today we will precisely tackle 5 verifiable methods to leverage AI technology for financial gain. The first method addresses the massive global demand for high-quality digital content produced at unprecedented speed. AI language models can now draft articles, social media posts, and marketing copy that require only minimal human editing before publication. By utilizing these tools, freelance writers and marketers can exponentially increase their output volume without sacrificing quality, thus serving more clients and increasing billable hours per day. Furthermore, generative image AI allows graphic designers to rapidly prototype visuals and create sellable stock imagery or customized artwork for digital marketplaces in minutes rather than days. Beyond surface-level content creation, AI is fundamentally accelerating the construction of the very software infrastructure that powers the internet economy. Developers are currently using AI-powered coding assistants to write, debug, and optimize code much faster than manual programming previously allowed. This capability enables individuals with moderate technical knowledge to build and monetize niche software-as-a-service micro-tools, browser extensions, or mobile applications rapidly. The barrier to entry for creating and selling digital software products has been significantly lowered by these intelligent code completion systems. Once a digital presence exists, the third avenue involves using AI to drastically reduce operational costs for businesses while simultaneously capturing new leads. You can now develop and deploy sophisticated AI chatbots customized for specific corporate clients to handle customer service inquiries and automate sales processes 24 hours a day. Offering these tailored automation services to small and medium-sized businesses provides a high-value service that directly improves their bottom line by reducing staffing needs. These modern systems move beyond simple scripted responses by actually understanding customer intent and routing information efficiently. While chatbots handle external communication, the fourth method utilizes AI to uncover hidden economic value buried deep within complex organizational datasets. Businesses are often willing to pay a premium for actionable insights derived from their raw data, but frequently lack the internal resources to analyze it manually. AI tools can now process vast amounts of financial, marketing, or operational data to identify trends, predict future outcomes, and spot inefficiencies almost instantly. Offering freelance data analysis consultancy using these advanced AI interpreters allows you to provide high-level business intelligence as a scalable service. The final method focuses specifically on the booming creator economy by automating the most tedious and time-consuming aspects of professional audio and video production. High-demand services such as video resolution upscaling, significant noise reduction in poor audio tracks, and automated multi-language captioning are now manageable with specialized AI software. By offering these specific post-production enhancements on freelance platforms, you can deliver broadcast-quality results in a fraction of the traditional time frame. This efficiency allows for high-volume client intake in the highly competitive digital media editing landscape. These 5 methods represent the current actionable landscape of AI-assisted income generation available today. Thank you for watching this technical briefing on basic finance, and we look forward to providing further economic clarity in our next video.